Students of class 10 of Janagolan Adarsh High School, welcome to my class, dear students. Today I shall discuss on punctuation mark and capitalization again. In my previous classes I discussed a lot of things about the rules of punctuation and capitalization marks. I hope all the students have enjoyed these classes. Then I said today I shall take some activity or practice. So I am going to discuss some activities on punctuation mark and capitalization. Dear students, please give concentration with me. Here is activity. First one, activity. Now I shall discuss on this punctuation and capitalization mark. It is clear indication that there are two things. One is narrative and one is speech. Narrative means all the phases is only narrative. That means all the things are normal narration. There is no any speaker and his speech. So if such a question, you have to only give the comma, full stop, and question mark and exclamation mark. You need not use any quotation because there is no any speaker and listener. So you have to you have to read these passages and you have to identify what kind of is this. Is it narrative or speech? If it narrative, then you have to read at first and then you can answer when the question, the sentence is completed or stopped. So I am going to read out this topic. An honest man always speaks the truth. People respect him for his honesty. A dishonest man always tells lie. We should try to be honest. At first, we have to think that this is narrative and there is no any speaker or listener here. So we can't use here any quotation. So at first, a honest man. An honest man, that means as it is the beginning word, and so I have to put here capital letter. An honest man always speak the truth. Where can I put here full stop? An honest man always speak the truth. At first, an honest man, here is subject, verb, this is adverb, the truth. So I can think that here is this sentence is stopped here, the truth. So I can put here full stop. Okay. Another sentence. People respect him for his honesty. People respect him for his honesty. Here I can put full stop because this sentence is just completed here or stopped. Now a dishonest man. Here I can give capital mark. A dishonest man. Here is a capital. A dishonest man always tells a lie. Here is full stop because this sentence is stopped here. After that, we should try to be honest. Here is full stop. So this passage is completely on narrative. Here I used only full stop. Moreover, all the sentence are here assertive sentence. As a result, all the after sentence I have put here only full stop. Moreover, here are some letter I have to change. Here was at first small letter A, and now it is capital letter, and here is another A, it is capital letter. Then it has been completed. Now activity 2 here. At first I have to read out this. Please give me some food. I am hungry, said the man. Why do you beg? Can't you walk? Said the maid. I am unable to work, said the man. Dear students, I have said previously that there are two things, narrative and speech. Here is speech because here is speaker. Please give me some food. I am hungry. Here speaker is the man, and another speaker the maid. So there are two speaker or listener, and there is their speech. Please give me some food. I am hungry. Such speech has said this speaker, the man. That means the man said, please give me some food. I am hungry. So I have to first put here. I have to put here, and then I do. After that, please, I put here comma. Give me some food. Here is completed this sentence. Another sentence, I give here I as a capital letter, capital mark. I am hungry, and then as quoted has completed, and now I have to give here a comma. Said the man, full stop. Here is full stop. So the first speaker, the works of first speaker has completed. Now another one. Why? Another speaker speech here. Why do you beg? Here is question mark. Why do you beg? Another question. Can't you work? Another question. Said the maid. That means here is full stop. So after two speeches, then I have to give here full stop. Here is I am unable to work, said the man. The man has said another sentence, so here I have to put the capital letter I. So here is called I am unable to work, said the man. So here is completed code and said the man, full stop. So dear students, you have known about this method, about this topic. Number 3. I read out now. Why are you sitting in the room alone? Can't you see the sky clear? Let us go out, said Ronnie. No thanks, said Raju. Dear students, now please practice yourself. Here is why are you sitting in the room alone? Can't you see the sky is clear? Let us go out, said Roddy. No thanks, said Raju. At first, it will be remind that this is a long sentence, but if you clearly watch this sentence, there are a lot of small sentences here. So here is speaker is now first speaker is Ronnie. So Ronnie's speaks are, why are you? First quote, why are you sitting in the room and can't you work? And then here is Ronnie says, why are you sitting in the room alone? Can't you see in the sky clear? Let us go. I have to put quote here. After that, how many sentences he has said. Now, why are you sitting in the room alone? At first, the first sentence is interrogative sentence, and then second one, can't you see the sky is clear? Here is another sentence completed. Now it is question mark. Now third sentence, let us go out. Here is another imperative sentence. Said, now I can give here comma, said Ronnie. As it is named, so we have to put here the capital R, Ronnie. So the first speaker task is completed. Now second one, here is Raju. Raju says only no thanks. So I can put here a quote or inverted comma. Now no capital letter, no, and comma, then thanks, and I can put here another comma, say Raju. Raju, as it is named, I have to put here R. Now this is completed, dear students. So it is very easy for you. If you practice more for your reference guide, then you will able to do all the critical ones. Dear students, please try to use from your text exercise book, and I say you will do well in this grammar. Dear students, no more now. I shall discuss more in my next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.